Okay, so I'm just going to do a little mini distant facial Reiki for you, just a little freeing up. So we're going to work off the jaw area. Now, if you find that you grind your teeth, if your jaw has been quite tense, you may feel, and it could be also as well your throat. So this can be connected to having to swallow a truth, not being able to express yourself. So you might all of a sudden think, oh, you know what, that's actually correct, or I recall that. And it's just might be a feeling you have in it. So what I want you to do is, if you're just open to it for a few moments, I'm just going to take a few little stones that I have placed Reiki energy into, and I'm just going to give you a little mini distant session for that. So if you just like to close your eyes and just take a slow deep breath in through the nose, just hold it at the top and just release it out through the mouth. And again, just take a slow deep breath in through the nose, just hold it at the top and release it out through the mouth. So as you're slow breathing, I'm literally going to be setting the life force energy, setting it at a distant. And today we are going to connect in with the tenseness around the jaw area and around the throat. So just even tune into it yourself, and even feel on the scale of 1 to 10, how tense is it feeling for you? How tight is it feeling? It could be the soreness in your throat that you're feeling. So tune into that area and feel if you're feeling any resistance with that area. So I want you now to decide, are you willing to release what is causing that? Because it's all a choice, it's all our decision. Are you willing to release that sense of tightness, that any restriction, any feeling of pain in around the jaw or throat area? So just acknowledge yes to yourself. You can comment in it afterwards. So again, so I want you just to take really a slow deep breath in through the nose. So I'm literally just going to start sending you that life force energy in around the jaw area. So I'll actually do it on myself and literally transfer that energy to you. So you may be getting some tingles in around, even up around your arms. So I just want you to visualize a blue light, and that blue light is literally just blasting and beaming in through the throat. It's just really feeding that the life force energy. It's turning it up. It's charging that energy. I want you really just to tune into the throat area. So just feel, are you sensing a tug on that? Are you sensing a little bit of tingling? So I'm just in around the ears right now. And just checking, you feeling maybe something in under the throat? Are you feeling a tickle with that? So I want you to take a deep breath in through the nose. And I want you just to really breathe out any tension that's in the jaw. So it's almost like you're breathing through it again, in through the nose. A deep breath in through the nose, and then just really whoosh it out through the mouth. And again, just into the nose. And just visualize all that tenseness in the jawline and in the throat releasing out of the body. So I want you to see the weighing scales right now, and just visualize that weighing scales, whereas it was tipped to one side, it's now really starting to bring balance into the body, to bring balance into the face. So again, visualize that weighing scales, that you can see it just in front of the face, and this is bringing, just literally see it's an energetic balance on both sides. It's just releasing all that tension. Again, you might be getting chills in the body, you might be feeling a pull, you might be feeling heat, you might be seeing a light. You may also not be sensing anything at all, but it does work. I literally want you to feel it being pulled back again. You may be now yawning as I am there, so that is a great way to clear the energy. You're maybe sensing that your stomach area is a little bit gurgly on that. So just literally visualize that jawline. It's just beginning to relax. It's really starting to bring balance to the face. Again, yawning is wonderful. It'll literally clear it. So again, just the last couple of moments, just visualize that healing light coming all around the throat area. So I want you just to take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and just breathe out any tension that you are still holding in that area. And again, in through the nose and just breathe out any tension that's in that area. And I'm just going to replace that now with a pink healing light. So I'm having a crystal either side of the jawline to balance it. So I'm connecting the energies of both sides. So I want you just to tune in. And are you sensing any sense of any tingles, any a frequency perhaps? What are you sensing in your energy field? You may have a release with tears down the eyes. Your stomach may be gurgling. It's your body that will use whatever we bring it. For me, I'm getting a lot of like literally a frequency I can hear from my left ear right now. If you have tears rolling down the face, just allow that to happen. So I'm just told now 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm just going to literally release that out. So I just want you to take a deep breath in through the nose and then just slow deep breath into the mouth, just as if you're releasing any residue that's still there. So deep breath in through the nose and then release any residue in around that area. Now if you feel like you need to dust your arms off, you do that. You just want to do this, like almost shaking the energy off that. So just shake and move for a moment. I want you to take a slow deep breath in again and then just release out through the mouth, and again a slow breath in, release out through your mouth. And as you're doing that, I'm just going to set the frequency of that to continue for the rest of the afternoon. I'm now going to disconnect my energy from you. So did you feel anything? Did you sense anything? So let me know in the comments. I'm excited to see what you're feeling. I will be launching in the next couple of weeks a course on how you could treat yourself to glow facial Reiki. Literally, you can teach yourself. I can teach you how to do that. So you can practice on yourself, you can practice on family, and you can actually incorporate it in your business. It really, what it does is it reduces the fine lines and wrinkles. It really improves the skin tone. You'll also find that sense of the face feeling more balanced, life feeling more balanced, because what we see on the outside is a reflection on the inside. So I'm interested to see what your comments are on that. And yes, if you'd like me to do any more of these videos, absolutely. So my name is Joan Carey and I have Art and Soul in Donegal Town. I'm an Alchemy practitioner, which is absolutely phenomenal. I'm also a textile artist, but the Alchemy is just on a whole nother level. And I do one-to-one sessions, and the Alchemy can be done on Zoom as well. Okay, so thank you so much, and yeah, best of luck. Repeat that as often as you would like.